Students, the next question is example 5 from the introduction to trigonometry chapter. So in a triangle OPQ, the question is in a triangle OPQ, right angle at P. So if this is triangle OPQ, the right angle is at P. So here it is the right angle, here it is the right angle, here it is the right angle, and OP equals to 7 centimeter. Here OP equals to 7 centimeter. It is given OP equals to how much? 7 centimeter. OP equals to 7 centimeter, and OQ minus PQ, that means OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter. Now determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Okay, so first come to the solution. What is given here? In triangle OPQ, write that in triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, what is given here in the question? OP equals to 7 centimeter. So OP equals to 7 centimeter, and also another one is given. What is that? OQ minus PQ. So that is OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter, and from this we have to find out sin Q and cos Q values. So how can we find out? Have a look here. First, only 7 centimeter, this value is given, and the subtraction of OQ and PQ value given. From this, first we need to find out OQ value and PQ value, and after that we can find the trigonometric ratios of sin Q and cos Q. Right, so now we know that here it is a right angle. P is a right angle. So P is a angle. P is right angle. Angle P is right angle. So that we can say triangle OPQ. This one, triangle OPQ is right angle triangle. So for this we are writing, applying Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square OQ square. Hypotenuse means OQ square equals to side square plus side square, QP square. Okay, QP square plus another side is OP square. Another side is OP square. So this one, and we have OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter, and from this we can write, here what we can write. So we have OQ value now. So for this we can write OQ equals to 1 plus PQ, 1 plus PQ, and this value we are substituting here. So just think this is equation 1, just think this is equation 1, and this one is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can write 2 implies, from 1 and 2, 2 implies OQ means what is that? 1 plus PQ. OQ means 1 plus PQ whole square equals to 1 plus OP square plus QP square, QP square plus OP square. Expand this, A plus B whole square formula. So 1 square means 1 plus 2, B square means PQ square plus 2AB, 2 into A means 1, B means PQ equals to QP square plus OP square, QP square plus AP square, OP square. So based on the A plus B whole square algebraic identity, A plus B whole square formula, we expanded this. Now come to the other one, another step. Now we can see here both side. So here it is PQ square, here also we have PQ square. So both will be cancelled. So QP square and here also qp square or pq square. So what is remaining here? 1 plus 2pq equals to op square. 1 plus 2pq is equals to op square. So op square means what is value given in the question? 7 centimeter. So 1 plus 2pq equals to op square means 7 square. So 1 plus 2pq equals to 49. 2pq equals to 49 minus 1. 1 is transposing this side. 2pq equals to 48 and pq equals to 48 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 24 ja, that equals to 24 centimeter. So we got PQ is equals to 24 centimeter. Now and substitute this PQ value in the equation 1. Substitute this PQ value in equation 1. Now we will get which value? What about the OQ value from the equation 1? Now we'll write from equation 1. From equation 1, 1 implies, so PQ value we got OQ equals to 1 plus PQ means what? We have 24. So OQ equals to 21 plus 24 plus 1, 25 centimeter. So now we got all the values. OQ equals to what? Here 25 centimeter and PQ is equals to, we got 24 centimeter. So now can we find out sin q and cos q? Yes, we can find out sin q and cos q. Where is the q? Here it is the q, and first find out the sin q value. So sin q, first sin q equals to, what is the trigonometry ratio of sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, that equals opposite value is what? 7 by hypotenuse means 25. This one is sin q value. Next cos q. Cos q equals to adjacent by, sin q equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So that equals to, adjacent means 24 by hypotenuse means 25. So this is the values. So here we have to find out sin q and cos q. Sin q and cos q. Now we got sin q value 7 by 25 and cos q value is 24 by 25.